In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the ESP32 running the ClassicMQTT firmware to connect to your Wi-Fi network and set up the Android app. If the ESP32's blue light is blinking quickly, it is in access point mode and needs to be configured. Using your phone, go to the device Wi-Fi settings, find the ClassicMQTT access point, select it. This will bring up the configuration point for the ESP32. Enter in the access point password. I usually use ClassicMQTT so I don't forget it. Enter your SSID for whatever your Wi-Fi network is. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Enter the IP address of your Classic. I recommend that you reserve these IP addresses so your router doesn't change them whenever it reboots. The port would normally be 502 unless you've changed it. Enter the Classic name. I use Workshop for mine. Configure the MQTT broker. So enter the IP address of the MQTT broker. The default port is 1883. Enter the MQTT user and password. And choose a publish rate. Normally 2 seconds is good. Hit apply, and then go back to your phone's Wi-Fi and reconnect to your normal SSID. Once it's configured to Wi-Fi, the blue LED will stay solid. Now we're going to install the Android app. Go to Google Drive, down to the Release 3 version of the install. Install the APK. Once the app starts up, remove the navigation drawer, go into the settings, set the protocol to MQTT, enter the broker host name as the IP address you entered in the ESP32 setup. The broker port 1883. The same MQTT user and password. The root topic, I use Classic. If you only have one Classic, it's fine. Then hit apply. With the navigation drawer open, hit the plus and enter in the Classic's name, so Workshop in my case. And there you go, you're now connected to the MQTT broker, and data is being sent from the ESP through the broker and to your Classic. If the broker is on the cloud, you can then access this data anywhere